In this video, you will learn how and how many to make money on YouTube Shorts and create 50 pieces in a few minutes. Also at the end of the video, I will show how many views such shorts collected. Let's get started right now. First of all, open up the ChatGPT and let's start making. Create list of 50 facts about the world. Put in a table with 2 columns. In the first column, put the number order of the fact, for example, fact 1, fact 2, etc. In the second column, put the actual fact. Put the order of the fact numbers in the first column, for example, fact 1, fact 2, fact 3, and so on. Put the actual fact in the second column. That makes sense. Then I just hit enter, and as you can see, it all works out. You'll soon see why it's vital to create a table in the first and second columns. After that, I'll copy and paste this in this video. I'll teach you how to build YouTube Shorts in mass utilizing ChatGPT, Canva, and Google Sheets. The chat has a limit in the number of characters, so if he writes only a part, you need to press continue and he will finish his tag. As we can see, everything turned out great. So I'll go back to the top, highlight both columns, then copy, and then go to a Google Sheets page. Right-click or simply paste it in. The 2 columns are pasted in, as you can see. Review the text and, if necessary, correct the errors if there are any. That's all there is to it. A Google spreadsheet contains a large amount of data. Now all I have to do is click on the title and rename this document. I'll just refer to it as World Fact. Click here to continue. To save it, I'll go to File Download and save it as a CUV. Values are separated. You need it, and you must save it in this format so that we may enter it. Next, go ahead and visit Canva. Now that I'm going to make a YouTube short, I'll just look for a YouTube short template. Now I'll choose one of their regular templates. Because this video is about global facts, I'll simply choose this one or anybody other, and I'll modify it anyhow. So, after that's loaded, I'll just erase these 3 additional pages. I don't need them. I just need 1 page. Then I'm going to mass construct 49 more pages depending on the information I gathered. So I'm going to choose this text right now and tweak a little. Now I'm going to Elements and insert in a video. I could place white writing on top of the globe spinning since it had a dark backdrop. So please allow me to locate the video. It's right here. I'll move it onto the page using my mouse. Okay, simply shift it slightly. You may accomplish this by double-clicking it and then dragging it across the screen to change the frame. So we have some. There are animated arrows at the bottom, followed by a mountain shape. I'll just remove the mountain since I don't want it. And the arrows can also be removed. The text seems to be in good condition. However, it may be a little more readable. I'll leave it as is for the sake of this video. I'll choose bulk generate and then upload my CSV file. So please allow me to locate and upload the file. As you can see, it has selected 2 data fields. The number is a fact, and the fact that there are 2 elements, therefore what I need to do is assign them to distinct elements. Therefore, what I need to do is assign them to distinct elements. I need 2 text boxes, so I'll simply copy and paste this into 2 text fields on the website. I'll simply make it a little smaller since this is for the fact number and this is for the main fact. So I'm going to reduce it since some of the facts are several lines lengthy, so to give it more room, I'll simply make the text slightly smaller and move it higher up. When it finally generates the text, I'll also relocate the bottom arrows. Now, I'm going to link the text to it by clicking on it, clicking Connect Data, connecting it to fact. Data fact number is connected. Let's see what happened. I'm going to shorten it to around 5 seconds. That should be enough time to go over the facts one by one. After that, I'll press the continue button. And as you can see, it has compiled all of the information into a list. You may now upload them all. Alternatively, you may simply choose the ones you want. You can see at the bottom, fact 49, and there you have it. The 49 facts were used to build 49 distinct pages. So if I move my mouse down the timeline, you can see the text coming in and it's animated. Let me have a look. I have facts 1, 2, and 3. Yes, everything seems to be in place. Okay, you may make one of the clips longer by clicking and dragging it, like I did here. You may also adjust how they transition between each other. You certainly can. You may use a slide if you like. I choose dissolve since the planet is spinning and it will seem natural if it just rotates and fades into the next video. As you can see, 49 pages have been produced. As you can see, the majority of the work has been completed. If you wish to alter the video behind any of the text, you may do it one at a time. This is the fast and dirty approach to produce YouTube Shorts, and it isn't limited to this. These videos are made very quickly and easily. We can choose any other theme with Create Your YouTube Channel. For example, the theme of motivation. Let me show you how quickly you can change to another thing. To see how long it takes to create a new 50 shorts, just see how fast it's done. Take a little more time to edit, and it will be perfect. Remember that the quality of the picture plays a major role, so choose the right ones. For each fact, you can pick up a different video, and each video can be saved separately. Be creative. Let's see what happened. Make sure it's an M4 format here. You may now select to download the complete file. This is all 49 facts. However, keep in mind that YouTube films can only be 60 seconds long, so this is probably too lengthy. You might download them one at a time, or you could download 5 or 6 at a time, resulting in a single brief download that then comes in. Then download the following batch, which will be another YouTube video, download more, and then click Done. So you may download a few of them as a single file or the complete thing, then click download and you're done. This is how to create YouTube Shorts using Canva, ChatGPT, and Google Sheets. So how can you make money from it? Take a look at this channel with the facts. It's unbelievable. Simple videos get a huge amount of views that are done in a few minutes. 13 million, 11 million, and so on, which brought over 136,000 subscribers to the channel. Let's look at video examples. They are very simple. Let's go to Social Blade and see that this channel brings the author from $247 to $4,000 a month, or up to $47,000 a year. How cool is that? There's nothing stopping us from just repeating it. And there can be several such channels. Write in your comments, how do you like this method to create shorts and earn money on them? Subscribe to the channel to be the first to try new methods of making money online. See you in the next videos.